So the first one will be sine theta, which will be equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. So if we want to somehow get rid of the decimal in the denominator, we can simply multiply the top and bottom by 2.5. So if we multiply the top and bottom by 2.5, we're going to get 25 over 27. Next, we're going to take a look at cos theta, which is going to be equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So if we do the same thing, if I multiply the top and bottom by 2.5, I'm going to get 27, so 10 over 27. Now if I take a look at tan theta, I'm going to get opposite over adjacent, or in this case, if you reduce it, 5 over 2. So these are your three ratios.